In this video, I'll show you how to make a game pass in Roblox. Firstly, what you need to do is just head to Roblox. Click on Create. Now, if you get taken to a different page than this, all you want to do is go into your browser and type in create.roblox.com. Now go to the top left and click on Dashboard. Once you're in Dashboard, click on Experiences. Every Roblox user has one experience by default, so click on it. And once you're in that place, go over to the left and click on Associated Items. In Associated Items, click on Passes. And now we are at our destination. Click on Create a Pass. Enter a name of the Game Pass. Add a description if you want to, and then just click Create Pass. And just like that, we've gone and created one Game Pass. If you want to put it on sale to use it in games, then just click on it and go over to the left, click on Sales. You can then switch on the item for sale and you can go and give it a price. And that's it. Write down in the comments below if you have any questions about the tutorial. Hit the like button if you like this video and see you in the next one.